Hey guys, this is Sparkler, and this is going to be a tutorial for a mining system in RPG Maker VX. So I have set up here just a little cave mine thing. You can set up your own, but it needs to have 2 rooms. That's the only requirement. Alright, so first things we want to do is go into our database, and on the Items tab, create 2 new items. The first one we are going to call Pickaxe, and choose a graphic there. There's a nice pickaxe down in the middle near the bottom, and I call the description just a small pickaxe or something. And set scope to none, and then that one to never, and the consume is no. And that takes care of the first item. And then the second one is going to be a metal of your choice. I chose bronze, and it's going to be an ore, bronze ore. And then down, there's a row down here that has a lot of rocks and gems. I'm just going to use that little coin right there. Okay. And the description, I said a mixture of bronze and rock. And then the scope is none, never, and the consume no. Alright, so that takes care of our items. And now you need to choose one of the crumbled rocks from tileset D there. I chose that one because I'm doing a bronze, and bronze is kind of brown goldish, you know. Alright, so then put one of those crumbled rocks on your map wherever you want there to be a rock for your for mining on. And now we're going to go in the event layer and put one on top of the first rock there. And the trigger is going to be action button, and then our graphic is on tileset D. Choose the rock that is not crumbled, and click OK. And the priority is going to be same as characters. And I'm just going to call mine like bronze mine or something. Alright, so the first thing we want to do when they talk to it is show some text that says something like, do you want to break open the rock? And then we're going to show choices, yes and no. And no is cancel. Okay, then when they say yes, we want to do a conditional branch. And on the 4th page, check the item pickaxe in inventory. Okay. And then when it says else, we want to make a show text that says you don't have a pickaxe, because you can't open rocks if you don't have a pickaxe. Yeah. And then go back up to right under it and choose the variable, control variables, and make one called mining right there. And we're going to make it a random number between 0 and 1. Okay. And then we're going to make another conditional branch that is going to check the variable mining that we made here. And we're going to check if it is a constant of 0. Click OK. And if it is, we are going to play a sound effect, which are on page 2, the sound effects. And I found one that I liked. It was Earth 7. Right there. And then I had the volume down to about 50. And I put the pitch all the way up. But that's your choice. And then we're going to show text that says something like, there was nothing in the rock. So this is when they break it open, but there's nothing to get. And then we're going to use the erase event command. And then under else, we're going to play a sound effect, the same one as before. So I chose Earth 7. Yeah. And then volume halfway down and pitch all the way up. And then we're going to show text that says, you got some bronze, or something. Whatever metal you chose. And then we're going to change their items. Increase the bronze ore by 1. Okay. And then we're going to erase the event. And that's the event for you. So pretty much they have a 50-50 chance of getting the iron or steel or bronze or whatever you chose out of the rock. So now we're going to copy it, and we're going to paste that same event over each of the crumbled rock stones. So this way, when we erase the event, it'll look like the rock crumbled and the remains of it are left right there. And so when we leave the room, the rocks will come back, and we can open them up again. So create a transfer to the other room you created. And then same thing to go back on the other side. Transfer player to the mining. Okay, so that's that. Now we're going to save it, and I'm going to show you what it looks like in game. Alright, so we go over there and open the treasure chest, and there's our pickaxe. Now we come over here. Do we want to break the rock? Yep. And we got some bronze. Do you want to break this rock? Yep, we got some more bronze. Yes. But there was nothing in that rock. Yes. And we got some bronze. So now we leave the room, and when we come back, the rocks are back, and we can break them again and try to get some more bronze. Hope this helped you. That's all. I do accept requests for tutorials, so let me know if you need help.